Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know about Verizon Business Internet. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, understanding the ins and outs of Verizon's business internet solutions can help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choosing the right plan for your business. The first step in getting Verizon Business Internet is choosing the right plan based on your company's needs. Verizon offers different speeds, bandwidth options, and additional features. Consider how many employees will be using the internet, your business's internet usage, and whether you require additional services like web hosting or phone lines. Verizon typically offers plans with speeds ranging from 200 megabits per second to 1 gigabit per second or higher, allowing businesses of all sizes to find a suitable option. Step 2. Checking coverage availability. Once you've selected a plan, the next step is to check if Verizon's business internet service is available in your area. You can do this on Verizon's website by entering your business address. Coverage areas can vary, and availability may depend on your specific location. If Verizon offers service in your area, you're good to go. Step 3. Ordering and installation process. After confirming availability, it's time to place your order. You can do this directly on Verizon's website or through a sales representative. Be sure to provide all necessary information, including your business address and preferred installation date. Once your order is confirmed, Verizon will schedule an installation appointment. The technician will come to your business, set up the necessary equipment, and ensure that everything is working correctly. Step 4. Setting up your equipment. When the technician arrives, they'll set up the required modem, router, and any additional devices, such as a network switch or firewall, to get your internet running smoothly. You'll need to ensure that all your business devices are connected to the network. If you're using a wireless connection, the technician will help you configure the Wi-Fi settings and ensure your devices can connect securely. Step 5. Testing the connection. Once your equipment is set up, it's time to test the internet connection. Check the speed using online speed test tools to make sure it matches the plan you signed up for. If you experience any issues with speed or connectivity, contact Verizon's support team immediately. Step 6. Managing your account and services. Verizon provides an online portal for managing your business account. You can use it to monitor your usage, pay bills, manage features like security services, and more. It's important to regularly check your account to ensure your plan still aligns with your business needs. Verizon also offers customer support through phone and live chat if you need assistance with any technical issues. Step 7. Ongoing support and upgrades. Verizon Business Internet comes with robust customer support, but as your business grows, you may need to upgrade your plan or add additional services. Verizon's support team is available 24/7 to help with any questions or upgrades. If your company's internet usage increases, it might be time to consider a higher speed plan or additional features such as enhanced security options. Thanks for watching our step-by-step guide on Verizon Business Internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides.